Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are making this warm, spicy and delicious ginger cake that will make your taste buds so happy. So stay tuned and watch how I make it. To begin, I preheat my oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, I sieve the flour and add all the other dry ingredients and set aside. I went ahead to melt the margarine in the microwave for about a minute and set it aside to cool completely. I add the sugar and margarine and mix them together for a while. At the time of making this, I didn't have my mixer or whisk with me, so I depended on my spatula. But if you have either of those, they are the best tools to use for this. Up next, I break in the eggs and mix thoroughly. I'll list all the ingredients with the exact measurements in the description bar below, so please do check it out. Then I add in a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Once I'm happy with the consistency, I bring in the flour mix, and I don't put everything in at the same time. So I add them in 2 parts and mix them well until the batter is well combined. The next ingredient that I use is the black treacle, which adds a rich flavor and color to this cake. I prefer using freshly grated ginger for this particular recipe because of its intense and spicy flavor. I don't get the same with the powdered form, so I always stick to the fresh ginger. The last ingredient that I use for this is half a cup of hot water, which I pour and then mix them all together. What the hot water does is to enhance the flavor of the cake and also give it a very soft and fluffy texture. Once I'm satisfied with the consistency, I pour them into 2 lined loaf pans. These will go into the oven and bake for about 40 to 45 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in comes out clean. Here's what we are rewarded with after it's done baking. Please do give this a try and let me know how it goes. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next one.